It's Norman Security, and I'm doing a new series on penetration testing. Just like search engines for penetration testers. Just like what kind of search engines you can keep in track of yourself, so that you can have an access to on and on when you are doing search results and doing a penetration testing often in a while. So if you just like doing a recon test, or if you just like doing a search engine or something you're searching on the internet which is available for that server, which is available for that company, any kind of things, any kind of public availability database that is useful for your penetration testing. So I just started last time, and I am thinking I should show you guys. I made a big list of it. So just like 20 to 25 nearby search engines are there, which I really prefer you guys to watch it and use it while you're penetration testing. So let me go to this here. I'm just opening the Brave, my browser. Sometimes I use a different one, whichever I like. So first thing first, let's just start with the thing that we're going for the Shodan. You guys might have heard this Shodan.io. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I believe, yeah. The search engine will search for me. Yeah, there is a search engine, just like a Shodan. It gives a lot of information for based on the server, based on the IP address which you provide. Search engine for the internet of everything. Shodan is the world first search engine for internet connected devices. Discover how internet intelligence can help you make better decisions. So just like, so if sometimes you have might have crossed into it can be also used for blue team also. It's just like if you are a cybersecurity analyst, SOC analyst, like you mean what I am telling you is like security operations center analysts, which are there for another company. So even though if you are starting with the cyber security, even though if you don't have a knowledge of it, so you can get started into this in the blue teaming process. So just like you need to learn some of the basics part, so and then you can go further. But it is what I'm showing you today is mainly for the penetration testing. So you guys don't need to go for the other things if you are keeping it in mind. So make out a self, while doing it, let me do this kind of things. Okay, make out a bookmark and make another folder for yourself, like other choose another folder, and you can make a new folder here. Not there, not there, not there. Bookmarks, new folder. Oh, it's not going for that. Let me delete that. Okay, what's the name of it? Search engines. Oh, sorry. Search engines for pen tester. I search engines for pen tester, just like that. Yep, you can make out self like that. So we're gonna start what things are there. So Shodan will gonna give us a lot of hints, and beyond the web, monitor network, internet intrusion, like so many kind of things. Like if you're searching, let's go and search for the Google IP address. Let me show you this. Let me just copy this just for the showing purpose. I'm showing you, like, sorry about that, showing purpose, showing you what kind of rhythm it was. So when you search for a IP address here, you guys can see a lot of information. You can have it on the report. A lot of SOC team also use this kind of tools, like searching for public data. So if you're searching for any recon process, you can go for this one. So this is one of the best one I have called it. So you can see that in the top countries, which you can see how many data has been flowed with that IP, and what is the other connected IPs are there, and how many total ports which are open on this server, and which organization hold this IP address. So this kind of informations you can get. total results will give it 2 only here. V1 map, V1. If you want to go for the V1 report, that is the OKs. From my side is okay. And if you go for the V1 map, and that is totally a different part of you. If you want to work, you need to sign up for this. Just a simple use your Google account or anything else, Twitter or Windows Live. So just log in with that one, and you'll get a lot of things. And monitoring images, developer, a lot of things you can see here that gives a more information of bit of it. So just like small network, you can see how the network has been, on the internet, how the activity is going on. So just the fact, and beyond security, the perimeters, a lot of things. Another one which I wanted to show you is google.com itself. Google.com, a lot of people, we itself is uses use as this as a a search engine. So just like if you are searching for anything, go for the google.com. Thanks, no thanks. So this is the basic one, everyone search for it. And this is the second one which I want to keep it. Still believe it, this is the search engine which I needed to be for the docs. If you are searching for the docs and what kind of docs are available on those things, you can go for that one. For server side, you can go for the showdown. And there is another called wiggle.net, if I remember that properly. Yes, yeah, it is wiggle.net. So it is of another search engine. If you guys can search for the IP address, there was no result found for this IP address, and statistics over the time, a lot of things. Oh my god, you can guys have a lot of information from this search engine also. All networks found by everyone, Wi-Fi networks, Wi-Fi observations, Wi-Fi today, Wi-Fi devices, cell towers, so many things. You can have a look that how the map has been designed in this one. The Google Maps won't be the Google Maps here. This is the wiggle.net map. So you can have a look that how the data has been flowing, and what is the internet capacity, and what is the exact latitude and longitude for that one, and possible free net, possible commercial net, a lot of things which you can search for the open network here. So this is for Wi-Fi networks only. If you are searching for the Wi-Fi networks, you guys can go for the Wiggle network, which I usually keep it in my list. So let me add this for a search engine folder. Okay, another one which I'm showing you is for code search. If you are searching for a codes which is available for the, if you are looking for the codes specifically, then you guys need to go for the grep.app. Yeah, and this is the biggest list, guys, so it might gonna take a lot of things. Search across a 500,000 git repos. So it will gonna search you totally from the git repos and every kind of publicly available codes which are there. So whole words, if you're yesterday, let me just go for that one, basic one. You guys can see how that gives me a data. This is available in the git, and test expect suspects, how which kind of loops are being used with those things, how many different things which can be utilized for the other things. So you guys came across with the website, and then after that you need to learn for the which code is there for the particular one. And if you want to understand how that can be manipulated and how that can be changed and where exactly that code has been used, so for those things you can go look for the grep.app. So that is also one of my best search engine which I use usually for the codes. Yeah, that's all for that one. And threat intelligence, if I come across another one which I wanted to tell you, is app.binaryh. Okay, app.binary h. Let me see if you can possibly show the one. Yeah, .io. Yeah, that is for threat intelligence. Log into account. I don't have account. I need to make out for that one. Sorry about it. So let me show you the attack surface identities and port services exposure, possible vulnerabilities, accessible remote desktops, invalid SSL certificates, misconfiguration network shares, database. A lot of things which you can find out. Honeypots. Oh my god. You can look for the honeypots also. Torrent, DDoS monitoring. Yep, a lot of things. Uh, if I go for that docs, which has been available on that one, you guys can see, you know, API sections, host search, image search, torrent search, sensor search, a lot of things which you can search for it while you working on this one. This is the different kind of search engine which is usually used for the threat intelligence. If I go, let me show how I keep the cherry tree out here. Let me add a note here. Search engines, search engines for pen, and here I can show you that a lot of things which has been possible here. So showdown.io, which I believe first one. Okay, first one I started with this one. It is mainly for the server, and the second one, that is Google, for the docs. Oh, why don't I keep it like this? Yeah, yep. I can keep it I can keep it as a just link itself if I want it. This is for sorry, that is docs. Third one which I told you about is Wiggle.net. It's for Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi network that I keep for Wi-Fi network. This one I keep it for code search. That is for code search. This one, app.binary data, what it gives exactly. Hello, it's good to see you again. It's good to see you. We are a multi-factional team that focus its effort on acquiring, analyzing, and classifying internet-wide data by combining efforts in the areas of cybersecurity, engineering, and data science. So that one I liked it so much. That one I totally liked it. I just wanted to keep this. This is for threat intelligence. Binary.io. Okay. So guys, that's all for this, and I'll close off this video now. So I'll continue this list on next time, and have a good time. So like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna bring all the list in the next videos. Keep watching it. Thank you.